let me pause my podcast. Ugh, let me start off by saying I'm the victim of the circumstances. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just yapping. I was out riding bikes with my buddy, which he just found my house. Kind of silly, kind of quirky, maybe. Oh my god. Look at those robins. Just fucking staring at me. That one too. But, so we were out here riding bikes on the golf course, and he had to go home because his mama was getting mad. But then, I ate a burger I had in my pocket. So, that was good. I feel bad for not making YouTube videos until I remember that nobody watches them. I'm gonna try and cut the accent. It's hard though. I mean, it's really grown into me. Look at that fucking bird. Look at it. It is 100% Don't even pretend, dude. That bird is suspicious as heck. The government is on to me. The skeeters are trying to put hepatitis B in my blood. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I feel guilty for not uploading for a couple weeks for my ski trip until I realize that nobody watches my videos. And I wish people would watch my videos because I have stuff to say and I need to be heard or something like that. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know why I'm still doing this. I like it, I guess, but not that much. Well, I mean, I do, but like, you stop watching me. You know what I mean, right? Like I'm not crazy. Anyways, I got new shoes. I like Puma. Puma is good. I only wear Pumas. And boots. But Puma doesn't make boots, I don't think. So yeah. That bird's fucking watching me, dude. I swear to God. Prom is in it's in like a week, I think. Yeah. It's in like 7 days. So I have everything for my outfit except for a jacket, which, you know, when you're a 36 extra long fucking something. What? But I don't have anyone to go with because I don't know, my friends hate me and nobody likes me or something. I'm schizophrenia or something. I don't fucking know. Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know which friend group of mine is going. So like, hold up. Just a second. Ouch. Okay. There we go. As I was saying, I don't even know who's gonna like be there. So I don't even know who I'm gonna. I swear to fucking God, dude. 3 of them. That can't be a coincidence. I don't even know who's gonna be at the thing, so I don't even know who I'm gonna be hanging out with for 5+ hours. No, it's like just the after party is 5 hours. It's midnight to 5 in the morning, which is some malarkey. But I don't even know how long regular prom is, so it's at least 6-7 hours just being around people who I might or might not know, which sounds torturous, but I've already paid like a lot of money for it. Prom tickets are expensive as fuck. What is that kid doing? But so yeah, I'm a little bit tired, to be frank. I spent like, Jesus, I spent some time today playing video games. That was pretty chill. And then I went out with my friend for a little bit. I went to church too. Oh God. But that's it. That's all I did. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, I was talking to a girl, and she rejected me after when I asked her whatever. So that kind of sucks. Um, but I don't know. She was cool. And then today she says some fucking oh, I missed you yesterday type shit. So I don't, not us POV. So you know, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. So maybe there's something still there, but I wouldn't bank on it. Never um never bet for yourself or something. I don't fucking know. Um I don't know. What are these birds doing? Look at them. They are following me. They are tracking me down as we speak. I look fucking stupid, don't I? I look like a dumbass all the time. Am I right? Right? Guys, is this real? Chat? Man. I'm just blasted. Mentally. Like, metaphorically. Oh, God. Man, I haven't been to therapy in like a month and a half. I'm losing my grips on reality. On Diddy. That's what I says. Oh, look at the ant. Can you see him? Maybe. If you saw the ant. Yeah. I have these glasses. They're cool, I think. Yeah. Ooh, ah, wah. Ooh, ah, wah, wah. Am I right, homies? Yo, all my Neanderthals, leave a hate comment. Yeah. Yeah. All my, I don't know, man. I'm tired. Should I move? Mayhaps. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna educate myself. Metaphorically. I don't plan on actually educating